I often get asked, Doctor, should I get a bridge or should I get an implant? So I will explain you. With the bridge, to take the support of the adjacent teeth, so you have to grind off the adjacent two teeth for support. Whereas for an implant, it's a single tooth. The lifespan of a bridge is normally 15 to 20 years and the implant is of a lifetime. What happens is, God forbid, if there's an infection, you have to remove the entire bridge. So all the three teeth are affected. When it comes to the implant, you're only treating the inflammation of that tooth. Another added advantage with the implant is that it mimics the natural tooth structure. So in the implant, a screw is put which is representing the natural root of the tooth. Then there's something called as an abutment, which is basically representing the tooth stump that we have grinded down, and then we put the crown just like we put a normal crown. So the bone level remains the same even after the implant is placed. Also, the implant emerges naturally from the tooth structure, so the gums health also is maintained beautifully. One problem with the bridge is that it gets a little difficult in cleaning. Say you got the bridge done when you were 30. When you turn 45, the bone and the gum level naturally recedes. So what happens is the food gets stuck in those areas and it is joined, so you cannot floss. With the implant, you can floss, you can keep it clean. The only added advantage with the bridge is that it's cost effective compared to an implant. Also, some people who are very scared of surgeries, they can do bridges. So I'm not advocating that do a bridge or an implant. I'm just giving you the pros and cons of each treatment.